Okay, so we are on to creating an individual path for a student. So here we are once again at our home page here. We are at the dashboard, and the teacher's class that we're looking at happens to be Tanda Happy, and the students are listed here below. What's interesting here is that you would be a teacher and you would notice that one student does need to get some individual attention. Maybe one particular student needs to get dropped down to a lower level where a student can get the standards that he or she needs in order to fill some gaps. Now, what we do ask you, what's best for our system is actually to follow the same procedure that you did for grouping a student together, putting the student in a group, and then setting up a group path. We ask that it works better with the system. It's a little bit faster with our server, and it's very easy to do. Follows the same procedure, as I said, with the group path. So say, for instance, here we had Dooley. And she needed to go, she's in 5th grade, but maybe she's still having some difficulties with the basic multiplication skills. So keeping that in mind, I'm going to check off her name in the upper left-hand corner here. And notice again what that prompts here. It tells our system that the student is about to be taken off of the class path, and there's some special things that are about to happen with, in this case, with Dooley. So we scroll up to the top here, and again, following the same procedure, we're going to create a group, even if it's a group of one particular student. In this case, I'm going to call this Dooley, and I'm going to create her custom group. Again, one student. Follows the same procedure here. I'm going to click on Add New Sections. And then when I see that, I notice she is having some problems with basic multiplication. So we've got access, pardon me, to any one of these grade levels here. But what I'm going to choose to do is go into grade 3 here. So when I click on grade 3 and I scroll down here, I'm looking for the beginning of where students understand or look at multiplication. And here we go with 3-9. So for Dooley, I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to drag and drop that section right into her learning path. The same thing for 3-10. Click and hold, and then drag and drop. And I can do that for any number of sections that I wish to fill in. Now again, following the same procedure here, you'll definitely get used to this after you do a couple of groups. Just wait and see. It becomes super simple, and it's so easy to customize for your students. Click on Save Changes. So we've successfully created that group. Now remember, we do need to confirm this. So I'm going to, and you can see what we've added here, but I'm going to confirm this in the dashboard here. When I click on that, I am going to click on Dooley's name, and to be sure that she's taken off, I'm confirming, take her off the class path. And indeed, I'm going to click on Select Activity. Where do I want her to go next? It is multiplication, clicking on that black triangle, drilling down here into day 1, drilling right down into the tryout, and click on Move here. So that's been confirmed, and now you've got an individual student who's gone on an individual path, but one that works best with our system and our server.